What's up, guys? Okay, so just wanted to make a quick video on how, really, to be forward, how stupid this battery is to replace. But this is for a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500, the 8-cylinder. And I looked up a video myself, and I just thought it was ridiculous. It was easy, but just ridiculous. So anyways, I'm doing this off my phone. I'm going to keep it sweet and to the point. So here's your battery. It's going to be on the passenger side, and you can see the battery. It's just there's a lot of shit you got to get to it and get it out. All right, so anyways, you are going to need the infamous 10 millimeter. I think this is the 10, yeah. And the other one's a 13 millimeter, but if you don't have a 13, I think I used a 1/2 inch. Yeah, so, and then on a 1/2 inch ratchet. That's pretty much all you're gonna need. So these two terminals here, and then one is right here under this cap. Those are gonna be your 10 millimeters, and then the rest is gonna be 13 millimeter. Basically what you're gonna do, you gotta take this stupid thing off here, 13 millimeter here, and 13 millimeter here. That'll take your bar off. Take the bar off. You got your bar that's attached here. Goes down to another 13. You see it right there. Take that off, and this little bar will come off with it. And then what you're gonna do next, so that'll be out of the way. This little cover right here, this top cover, just pops off. So you can just pop it right off. It's not held on to anything, no screws or anything. Just a couple brackets. Just take that off. I'll take that off right now for you. Okay, so that's off. It's just literally a cover to expose your positive terminal. Anyways, and this is what it looks like under this magnificent design, I guess. Anyway, all of these are 13 millimeter as well. As I said, there is your positive terminal exposed now. So you take your ground off here. That's a 13. That's a 13. Take these three off. They will all three come off together. And then from there, you'll take your positive off first, then your negative, and then that whole thing will come off. Oh, also forgot to mention this blue clip right here. This also does just slide out. You got this little pin. Just push it in, and it slides out like that. Okay. And then, like I said, when you get these three bolts removed, and then this one here, and then this one that's connected to your actual battery, this whole assembly will pop off. I do want to make note that it is held down by these little brackets down here that you can see. So I just get my hand up under it and then pop it loose like that, see? So you'll see when I push it down how it locks into place, like right there, focus. All right, see that? So there's going to be one there, one here, right there, and then one on the back side right there. Pop those off, this whole thing comes off, and you'll be able to take your battery out. Put your new battery back in, repeat the process. Make sure that this clips back on, put your positive terminal on, leave your negative off, put these three back together. It's pretty hard to mess those up, but because they're pretty big wires, so they're kind of stiff where they go. But anyway, here's a back look at them. So the yellow stripe goes in the first terminal, purple stripe second, and then the black covered wire with insulation goes on your last terminal. Tighten those down, tighten your positive down, tighten your ground down. Make sure you plug your plug back in, and then that's pretty much it. And then you're gonna put your bars back in. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed a big thing here, guys. Sorry. Before you're, and you probably will figure this out, but that is your battery holder down there, and that's also 13. So it's going to help if you have an extension like so to get to that. Sorry, I forgot to mention that, but you'll figure that out when you try to get the battery out. Anyway, so that's that. So you got your new battery back in, put your holder back in. You already got your thing, you already got your electrical thing back here, back on top, clipped in. You got all these screwed back in here. You got your positive on. Now you need to do is put your negative back on. You will hear like a small little spark, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. Tighten that up, make sure it doesn't spin. All right, and then put your bar back on. So your bar is gonna go, this first piece here is gonna connect right there. I always like to leave this a little bit loose because you might have to move this bar around to get it to fit here. But anyways, as you can see, that bolt down there, this bolt connects to this here. So this front bar is gonna be in front of this bar, long line, the long one. And then these ones here, the lip goes under. Same with this side, lip goes under. And that's pretty much it. I try to keep it under 5 minutes, but oh well. It's really not that bad, guys. So, and there's a few other videos showing it too. So even if I didn't do a good job, well, oh well, I tried. Anyways, guys, appreciate it. It only took me probably 15-20 minutes to actually do it. It took me longer to find the tools. So anyways, not too bad of a job. We're gonna get this thing started, make sure we're good to go, and then we'll check back in. All right, let's see if we did a good job. Yay! Starts. No low battery. I know the hood is open. All right, sweet. Looks like the radio itself reset, but we got all of our stored stations that we like, so that's good. And I think all we have to do is go into here. That's it. All right, cool, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys hanging out. If you guys got any questions, feel free. Oh my god, my hair is all sweaty and crazy. Woo! Anyway, if you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. But like I said, pretty straightforward. Not too bad to do. Make sure that you like the video if I did okay, kind of explaining it. Try to keep it under 5 minutes, but oh well. And then, like I said, comment anything below that you might have. And like the video as well. Subscribe if you like to. Alright guys, see ya.